Hello, my dear friends. Hope you all are waiting for the next short story. So, today's short story is A Mosquito and an Elephant. A mosquito saw an elephant crossing a bridge and asked for a ride. The mosquito said, "Hello, mate. What if I sit on your back and give you some company as you cross the bridge?" The elephant said nothing. The mosquito sat on the elephant's back. He felt very proud that he could persuade the elephant to be a co-rider. As they were crossing the bridge, the mosquito cried out, "Watch out, brother! Two of us are very heavy. Make sure the bridge does not collapse." The elephant said nothing. As they crossed over through the bridge, the mosquito said, "See how I guided you safely through?" The elephant said nothing. Finally, the mosquito got off the elephant's back and buzzed. "Here is my business card. If you need any help in the future, just call me on my cell phone." The elephant thought that he heard some whisper somewhere, but he dismissed this as a daydream and marched on. You are like an elephant with enormous qualities, with full control on your life. No matter what you do, people having a mosquito-like attitude will always disrupt you, criticize you, mock you, but you need to remember the fact that you are the boss and no one is in charge of your happiness. So just ignore such people, ignore their criticism, and move on with your life. The elephant is the enormous flow of our life. The mosquito is our restless ego that thrives by sucking life's attention. There is an interior life beyond our ego that is connected to a vast and infinite expanse of awareness. Be aware. Be the elephant, not the mosquito. Have a great day. God bless you all.